we're going to be going over your reading assignment, North American Explorers. And the first thing you're going to do is type your first and last name. And then you're going to be reading your passage, North American Explorers, and as you're reading it, I want you to be thinking about whether this passage is fiction or nonfiction. And then after you finish reading the passage, you're going to have to click at the bottom whether it's fiction or nonfiction. All right, number 1 is which statement best describes the main idea of the passage? So which one of these statements best describes what the passage is mostly about? Is it American Indians explored North America before Europeans? The first American Indians came from Asia, whereas the later explorers came from Europe. North American explorers came from France, England, and Spain. Or when European explorers arrived in North America, they brought new diseases that killed many American Indians. All right, question number 2, cause and effect. Why did the American Indians die from the diseases while the explorers remain unaffected? All right, was it the explorers didn't share their medicine with the American Indians? The explorers were older than the American Indians? The explorers had built an immunity to diseases while the American Indians had no immunity? Or the explorers had access to doctors and hospitals? All right, number 3, finding details in the text. Which disease was not brought to North America by the European explorers and colonists? All right, so your key word, which disease was not brought to North America by the European explorers? All right, was it smallpox, measles, cancer, or influenza? So which one of these was not brought to North America by the European explorers and colonists? Number 4, text structure. Identify the text structure used in the second paragraph. All right, so second paragraph. So the only thing I want you to look at for this answer is the second paragraph. And I am going to see how I tell if it's a new paragraph is whether it's indented. Okay, so I see 1 and I see 2. So the second paragraph starts in the 1500s. So you have to determine the text structure just for this paragraph. All right, so is this text structure for paragraph 2, is it description? Is it cause and effect? Sequence? Problem and solution? Or compare and contrast? All right, number 5, vocabulary. What does the suffix in explorers mean? What does the suffix in explorers mean? Does it mean a person who, more, the opposite of, or characterized by? Okay, the suffix. Number 6, context clues. What does perish mean in this passage? So I need you to find perish in the passage and then read around that word to determine what perish means. Does it mean to become infected with the disease? To die? To recover from a disease? Or to build up enough strength to fight a disease? All right, guys, that's the last question. I know y'all are going to do great.